Finance practice problems number 16. Lauren already knows that he will have $750,000 when he retires. If he sets up a payout annuity, I wonder what formula we use, for 30 years and an account paying 10% interest, how much could the annuity provide each month? So this problem is fairly straightforward. So just a moment and let me get some space for me to work. Okay, so, there we go. So I put all of the quantities into the appropriate variable in our pay out annuity formula. And so we will need to enter this expression into our calculators, either save it to a variable, or we could take that $750,000 there and divide by that variable in which we saved it, or we could just scroll back for this amount in our calculators. And when we do so, we will get $6,581.79.